Good morning, guy. Today is the time for test for the DJI Osmo Nano dome seat, and then go out to a dome seat with the rear dome and with the swimming pool behind us, guy. Without further ado, let's test this out and see the image quality, guy. Okay, guy. The first camera we're gonna test is the Go Ultra, guy. With this modifying dome seat, and let's see how it works. Before we test, we have to open the camera first for sure. When the camera, we're gonna position this guy to here. Then this one go here. Close the cover. Close the cover. Lock it. Just like that, guy. Here we go. We are ready. Let's check it out. Okay, guys. Next one. The with dome position already. Let's do the slow motion shot with the Go Ultra. Okay, guys, after finished testing Go Ultra, now it's time for the Osmo Nano. Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, just lift up the clip and then just bend like this, and then yeah, so there we go. Here our Go Ultra finished testing. Get pretty hot already also. Yeah. Okay, guys. This guy, next one, we will be using our DJI Osmo Nano. Just power on the camera first, and then disconnect the camera from the vision dock, and then put here. And after that, yeah, just put this base in. Here we go, guys. Yeah, ready for the test for the Osmo Nano, and then just bring this one up. Yeah, that's it. Okay, with the Osmo Nano, just finish position the dome here, and yeah, we just review from the vision dock, and when we are satisfied, we can start recording, guys.
Stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light.
Hey guys, just finished showing you guys all the footage shooting by modifying dome seat for the Osmo Nano and Go Ultra with the dome board from Telesun for the GoPro Hero 12, guys. All the footage absolutely incredible and amazing, guys. With the modified dome seat, it worked very well and flawlessly. You guys already saw in the footage while we are shooting in the normal video mode, in the slow motion mode, and then the time-lapse mode. Another, we even diving and shooting under the water also. By the way, guys, before we end the video, let me know in the comment below which shot you guys like most among from this four. Two important tip and trick before you really go out and start shooting with the Telesun dome for GoPro Hero 12 with your modified dome base for DJI Osmo Nano and Go Ultra. Tip number one is try to practice for assembly and disassembly your dome, so it's gonna save you guys a lot of time. And the second tip is try to practice as much as you can until you're familiar how to position this guy in the water. If not, you're gonna spend a lot of time just try to position this guy. The tip is, guys, when you position the dome in the water, this handle you need to just slightly up and down until you get the position that you want. If not, your dome face gonna be rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise around based on the water movement, guys. I found this in the hard way, and I spent like almost 2 hours just to figure it out and then positioning the dome, and man, it's lucky I have the time for that. Okay, by the way, if you guys have not checked the modification video for the Go Ultra and Osmo Nano, can check in the video update too. If you guys interested to get the Telesun dome, can check in my affiliate link in the video description. If you are interested to get the camera, also is there, my affiliate link. By the way, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.